This video is going to show you how to customize your course cards, how to access a roster for a class, how to print out a roster, and possibly some other reports you would find helpful at the beginning of the year. When you're in Infinite Campus, you need to be in your teaching center. If not there currently, you can access the sandwich on the top left. Click on Instruction, and this should be able to get you to your teaching center, okay? Head to your teaching center, which is this. To customize your course cards, you want to go ahead and click on the gear. You can customize the name. The name is only visible to you and not visible to anyone else. So I am going to put okay. You can also change the icon for that class, and you can also change the color for that class. Save your changes and repeat for the other classes. To access a roster, you will click on the name of the class, and at the top you will see 4 tabs up here. Go ahead and click on the Students tab and you will see the list of your students. Right now, as I'm filming this video, the students are blue because blue means they were initially enrolled from the beginning of the school year and the first day hasn't started. Anybody who drops the class will be at the bottom of your roster. And anybody who will join your class after this initial start will be green at the very top. You can also toggle to active right here to show you the ones that are currently in your class once things get going, okay? You can also navigate to the title of your class with the drop-down arrow and see that you can easily switch between all of your class rosters if you so choose, okay? So to print a roster, we're going to go back to the main menu. I'm going to go to here, and I am going to click on Instruction and scroll down to Reports. Select Blank Spreadsheet. Okay. Here we see a list of report options, and we want to go ahead and arrow down. You can give the title of it here. You can select the number of columns you would like, and you can also customize with row height and orientation, right? When you come over, make sure that you are using the correct term so that if you're printing for the beginning of the year, you are in Q1. Then you can select which classes you would like to print. You can print one class, or you can multi-select with your control button and print more than one. When you come down to the bottom, you will see it will click on all of the kids that will be printed, but if you would like to take a student off of that list, you can unclick their name and they will not show up on that report. One other thing that I would suggest as well is to group by section. By selecting this, you are making sure that your rosters are printed on their own pages, okay? All right, so then you can go ahead and generate your PDF when you're ready by coming over to the bottom left and clicking that, and now you can see I have blank rosters for all of my classes ready to go. One other report that you might find helpful is the roster report. So again, I'm in Reports and I just want to go ahead and find Roster Report and click on that. Okay. If you're doing this for multiple classes, I would go ahead and scroll down and add a page break after each selection, which prints it by class. Otherwise, it's going to print one large alphabetized list. Make sure you are always in the current term, and again, you can select which classes you would like to print and multi-select, okay? If you scroll down, there's different student options, and I would like to print these rosters for my emergency rosters for my red bag. So I would want student number, the local number, a student picture if it's available, which it should be available after our school picture day. I would want the gender, date of birth, and finally household phone and address, guardians. Okay? Once I have all of that information, that should be it. I can now generate my PDF from there.